Discover the power and convenience of Hamilton Beach hand mixers, designed to enhance your cooking experience with their ergonomic features and versatility. These hand mixers prioritize comfort and control, ensuring a comfortable grip during use. With convenient snap-on storage cases that keep attachments and cords together, you'll never have to search for them again. Hamilton Beach offers a range of attachments, including traditional beaters, wire beaters, whisks, dough hooks, and milkshake attachments, catering to all your mixing needs. Let's delve into the features that make Hamilton Beach hand mixers a must-have tool in any kitchen. Investing in a Hamilton Beach hand mixer is essential because it provides unmatched versatility, allowing you to effortlessly tackle various mixing tasks, from whipping cream to kneading dough, saving you time and effort in the kitchen while achieving consistent and professional quality results. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Best free mixing with reduced splatters. Hamilton Beach hand mixers feature a slower first speed, specially designed to keep ingredients in the bowl while mixing. This feature is perfect for folding and dry ingredients like flour into cake batter or combining liquids without messy splatters. Enjoy cleaner and more efficient mixing, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Convenient snap-on storage case. Say goodbye to lost or misplaced beaters with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer's snap-on storage case. This case securely holds the included attachments, providing a dedicated space to keep everything organized. The convenient access door allows for easy addition or removal of attachments, ensuring hassle-free preparation for your next mixing session. Complete 3-piece attachment set. The Hamilton Beach hand mixer comes equipped with a comprehensive 3-piece attachment set, providing everything you need to start mixing right away. The package includes 2 dishwasher-safe traditional beaters and a whisk. All attachments neatly store in the snap-on storage case, ensuring they are readily accessible whenever you need them. Effortless mixing and whipping. With 275 watts peak power, the Hamilton Beach hand mixer effortlessly mixes and whips ingredients for your favorite recipes. Whether you're incorporating heavy ingredients like nuts into cookie dough or creating light and fluffy meringue for a pie, this hand mixer delivers consistent and efficient results every time. Experience the joy of effortless mixing and achieve the perfect texture in your culinary creations. Versatility with 6 speeds and Quickburst. The Hamilton Beach hand mixer offers 6 different speed options, providing versatility for a wide range of mixing tasks. From gentle stirring to vigorous beating, you have precise control over your mixing speed. Additionally, the Quickburst feature allows for an extra burst of power at any speed level, making it ideal for tackling tough mixing tasks effortlessly. Conclusion: Hamilton Beach hand mixers are the ultimate culinary companions, combining power, versatility, and convenience in one compact package. With their focus on ergonomics and versatility, these hand mixers provide a comfortable grip, reduced splatters, and a range of attachments to suit all your mixing needs. The snap-on storage case ensures that your attachments are always within reach, eliminating the frustration of misplaced beaters. Experience efficient mixing and whipping with the quick burst of power and precise speed control. Elevate your culinary prowess with the Hamilton Beach hand mixers and revolutionize your mixing experience.